Hi, I'd like to talk to you about adult stem cells and your gastrointestinal system. First of all, adult stem cells. These are the stem cells that are found in your very own bone marrow. These stem cells constitute your body's own natural repair system. And the more of these stem cells you have in circulation, the more repair your body can do. And of course, the more repair your body does on a day-to-day basis, the healthier you are. So let's have a look at how these stem cells work in your body. Every cell in your body has a limited lifespan. Some cells live for a few days, some for a few weeks or months, and some cells even live for a year or so. Now, when one of these cells reaches the end of its lifespan, an amazing process of self-renewal happens. So those dying or damaged cells, they send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases your stem cells into circulation, and then they migrate and travel around your body, and they go into the tissues and they turn on the gene and they become a brand new healthy cell of whatever cell they come in contact with. So if they come in contact with an eye, they'll become brand new eye cells. If they come in contact with the heart, they'll turn into brand new heart cells. Same for the liver, the lung, the brain, the kidney. So this is how our body renews itself on a day-to-day basis. So let's have a look at this about the gastrointestinal system. Now, the cells in our gastrointestinal system only live for about 3 to 5 days and then they die. And when they get to the end of their lifespan, they send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and then these stem cells migrate into the gastrointestinal system and become brand new healthy gut cells. Now, this is how our body again repairs itself on a day-to-day basis and remains healthy. However, if our body is suffering from stress, either physical or emotional, from poor sleep, poor diet, too little exercise, environmental toxins, emotional stress from work or home, or even the aging process itself, our bone marrow, if you like, becomes sticky and it doesn't release enough stem cells for our body to repair properly. So therefore we've got gut cells that are dying off without being replaced, which means our gut function then starts declining and we can develop any number of different gastrointestinal problems. However, if we're able to increase those numbers of circulating stem cells, then we can aid the body in its own repair system, in its own repair process. So research has shown that bone marrow derived stem cells have shown to contribute to the renewal of gastrointestinal tissue in human patients. Now, this was published in the Archives of Dermatology in August of 2001. Now, the reason why we haven't heard about stem cells and they're able to repair is because there's never been a simple way of actually supporting this process. However, recently, very specific plant extracts have been researched and published in human clinical studies to show that they actually support the natural release of your own stem cells from your bone marrow to aid the body in self-repair. Not only to maintain a higher level of health, but actually to regenerate tissue to regain health as well. So if you'd like to find out how you can support the natural release of your own stem cells from your bone marrow by using a blend of these specific plant extracts, then feel free to click on the link below in the description for more information.